The available Sunrider Flip Top for Hardtop is a great option for your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator. It can be used in place of the Hardtop Freedom panels for quick, easy opening of the area above the front seats. Included with the Sunrider for Hardtop are the following items: 2 front door rail attachment bolts which do not have a built-in spacer, 2 rear door rail attachment bolts which do have a built-in spacer, the rear clamp, 2 rear clamp attachment bolts, and the 2 hook and loop fastener straps. You'll also need the number 40 Torx head driver, which is included with your vehicle. To install the Sunrider for Hardtop, first you'll have to remove both Freedom panels starting with the driver's side. Open both front doors and fold the sun visors down against the windshield. Now, turn the L-shaped locks from the front and rear center of the roof panel. Then turn the L-shaped lock located on the outboard side of the panel, above the shoulder belt anchorage. Unlatch the header panel latch located at the top of the windshield and remove the panel. Follow the same steps to remove the passenger side panel. You should store your Freedom Top panels in the storage bag that comes with your vehicle and secure the bag behind the rear seat or in a safe location. With the help of a second person, set the Sunrider on top of the vehicle, making sure to align the holes at the front and rear of the side rails. On one side of the vehicle, swing the front frame bracket around the side of the rail and insert the front door rail attachment bolt from underneath. Use the number 40 Torx head driver to tighten until snug. Insert the rear door rail attachment bolt from underneath and tighten until snug. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Next, attach the rear clamp at the rear center of the Sunrider top using the 2 provided rear clamp attachment bolts. Tighten with the number 40 Torx head driver until snug. Now, from inside the vehicle, lift and pull the Sunrider top forward using the handle on the front header and guide the top to the closed position. Pull the handle on one of the header latches downward to engage the hook into its receiver. Pull the handle back upward while squeezing the hook, locking the latch into place. Repeat these steps with the latch on the other side. When you want to open the Sunrider top, fold both sun visors forward against the windshield. Release each header latch from the crossbar by pulling the handle downward, and make sure the hook is disengaged from its receiver. Now, lift and push the front of the top rearward to the Sunrider position. Finally, secure the top by wrapping one of the hook and loop fastener straps around each of the side rails. To close the Sunrider top, just reverse these steps. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.